Chapter 3, Tutorial 3. Open a new file. Choose model template. Enter the name c03tut3. Select the sketch tool. Select XZ plane and accept the default orientation. Now draw the outer profile. Choose profile tool. Start from the origin and enter 60 as the length and angle 0. Now complete the rest of the profile. This is line number 1, line number 2, line number 3, line number 4, line number 5, line number 6, line number 7, line number 8. This completes the outer profile. Now we are going to add geometric constraint to the sketch. Select the vertical constraint and select the line 8 and apply. Similarly, horizontal constraint for line 1, line 3, and line 7. Apply the vertical constraint to line 6. Now we are going to modify the dimensions of the sketch. Select line number 6 and enter the value 40. Similarly for line number 8, enter the value 150. Select line number 5, modify the value to 30 for the linear dimension. Similarly, select line number 7 and enter the value 35. Select line number 2 and line number 1 and bring the angular dimension and change the value 117 degree. Similarly, select line number 3 and 4 and bring the angle inside and modify the value to 77. Select line number 2, modify the vertical linear dimension value to 12. Finish the sketch, save the file and close the file C03 tutorial 3. This completes chapter 3 tutorial 3.